So the FCO, or fractionated coconut oil, helps to reduce the chance of that. You can also diffuse 3 to 5 drops of this essential oil. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Clary Sage Essential Oil. Clary sage is a biennial or perennial herb that grows up to 6 feet in height. Clary sage is known for its calming properties and benefits to the skin. The main chemical component of clary sage is linalool acetate, part of the esters group, making it one of the most relaxing, soothing, and balancing essential oils. In the Middle Ages, the clary sage plant was frequently used to soothe skin. Inhaling clary sage promotes feelings of relaxation, allowing for a more restful night's sleep. The top 3 common uses for doTERRA Clary Sage are that you can use it aromatically, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of Clary Sage essential oil are that it soothes the abdomen area during menstrual cycle, relieves stress, and promotes a healthy scalp and hair. The directions for use are applying 1 to 2 drops of the Clary Sage with a fractionated coconut oil directly on the stomach area, which I like to use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil right here. This is a great carrier oil that helps to reduce the chance of irritation of the clary sage, as well as cover larger surface area and help the essential oil absorb better into the skin. Since the essential oils are natural aromatic compounds, they evaporate really quickly. So the FCO, or fractionated coconut oil, helps to reduce the chance of that. You can also diffuse 3 to 5 drops of this essential oil in a 4-hour diffuser like the petal diffuser from doTERRA at night to calm the mind chatter, or you can take 1 to 2 drops of this in a veggie capsule to help balance your emotions. And I like to use the doTERRA veggie caps right here. So what you would do is you would just take one of the capsules out like so, and then you would open it. Boom. You'd put your 1 to 2 drops of clary sage essential oil from doTERRA in there, and then take it with food and water for best results. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.